The GTI was in an accident, but it's not that bad. So basically what happened is traffic came to a pretty quick stop, and the gentleman behind me did not stop in time. But by the time he hit me, he was only going about 5, maybe 10 miles an hour. So it was just enough to push me into the person in front of me. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a series of videos showing everything that I'm gonna be replacing. And real quick, I'm just gonna run through everything. So on the front end, if you look right here on the bumper, you can see it's scuffed up. And this was actually broken completely off. I zip tied it on right now. So the grill is messed up, this bumper is messed up. If I pop the hood, the headlight is messed up on the brackets right here. And then also behind the bumper, the core support that holds everything is also cracked at the bottom right here. So I'm gonna be replacing that. So right here, you can see that the grill is broken. And then that bar that goes down to the actual bumper behind this bumper cover, that's broken as well. The headlight bracket right here, that's part of the headlight, and the bracket that actually holds the headlight's bent. And then the cold air intake is actually broken as well too. So all of those will be getting replaced. Now for the back end. You can see that the bumper is kind of folded right here. The license plate frame is busted. And then the lower valance right here has an indentation. So I'm going to be replacing the valance, the bumper cover, and the license plate frame. Right here I have everything laid out just so you can see what I'm replacing. So starting off, we have the front grille, the front bumper cover, and as you can see, I'm going to have to swap over all of the grille components. I figured while I'm in there replacing the core support, I might as well upgrade my intercooler. So this is from Integrated Engineering. Comes with the silicone boost hoses. And then here's our bracketry for our headlights, or our right front headlight. We have a lower fender liner. I'm also going to put some Laminex on there. I've had it before and I really like it. And there's our bracket for our headlight. Here's our replacement APR cold air intake. And then we have our rear bumper cover with the rear valance. And then I figured I might as well get a Porsche tag frame to match my Porsche calipers. So like I said, I'm going to be making a playlist for this, and if you ever come across the point where something's not being removed in the video that you need removed in that order, just go through the playlist and there should be a video on it. As always, I appreciate you guys taking the time to watch this video. Please hit that subscribe button, leave me some comments, let's keep it going. Until next time, guys. Peace.